how to add Apple Card to Cash App. First, you want to open up Cash App and log in if you haven't already. Next, you will tap the banking tab, the house icon or the money at the bottom left. This shows your linked accounts and balance. Then you will tap link bank or add card. This is where you can add a new debit or credit card, and you will just enter your Apple Card details manually. Since Apple Card is a credit card, you want to enter the number, expiration date, CVV, and zip code. Note that Apple Cash can't be added directly like a debit card. Only the Apple Card, which is the credit card issued by this person, can be entered. If it doesn't work, some users report that Cash App may reject certain credit cards. If that happens, try linking the Apple Card to Apple Pay and using your linked bank account instead. If accepted, your Apple Card is going to be ready for use in Cash App. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.